Jai Srimanarayana, 45th sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aho bata mahatpapam kartum vyavasita vayam यद्राज्य सुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनं उद्यताः ॐ. Do not become victim of emotions, but try to be a master of situation. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a final message in Bhagavad Gita, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall not become a victim of emotions, but I shall try to be a master of situation. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Paramatma Sriman Narayana became Trivikrama and spreading all over the worlds, and entire world, entire universe is being shown in his own body to Bali Chakravarti. Hrudyanga dharmam स्तनयोः मुरारेः ऋतञ्च सत्यञ्च मनसि अधेन्दुं श्रियञ्च वक्षसि अरविन्दहस्ताम्. That Murari, that Sriman Narayana, that Trivikrama is having dharmam in his hrudayam, satyam and priyam in his chest, and moon in his manas, and in the Vakshasthalam, in his chest, there is Sri Mahalakshmi Devi who is holding beautiful lotus. And Paramatma, in his Kantham, he is carrying all the Vedas and Vedangas. In his shoulders he is holding Indra and all the Devatas. In his ears there are all the sides and directions. In his head urdhvalokam, in his hair all the clouds, in his nose the Vayudeva, in his eyes Surya, in his mouth Agni. Paramatma carrying all these things in his own Virat Swarupam and showing it to Bali Chakravarti. Not only that, Vanin Akhilachanda Samudayambunu Rasanambuna Jale Sundunu Bhruyugalambuna Vidhi Nishedhambulunu Reppalana Horatrambulunu Lalatambuna Kopambunu Adharambuna Lobhambunu Sparsambuna Kamambunu. Paramatma is showing all the chandas in his speech. Paramatma showing Varuna Deva on his tongue. Paramatma showing all the don'ts and do's in his eyebrows. Paramatma showing day and night in his eyelids. Paramatma showing anger on his face. Paramatma showing lobham on his bottom lip. Paramatma showing kamam in his touch. Like that, Paramatma Trivikrama showing everything in his Virat Swarupam and showing his Trivikrama Swarupam to Bali Chakravarti. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 45th sloka. Aho bata mahatpapam kartum vyavasita vayam yadrajya sukhalobhena hantum svajanamudyataha. Aho bata mahatpapam kartum vyavasita vayam yadrajya sukhalobhena hantum svajanamudyataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.